This is the first LBX in the world to receive an Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser to stop it from being stolen. Welcome back, John Cleese Car Audio. This LBX wasn't available for a Ghost before it came into us, but we've worked very closely with Autowatch themselves to create a file so this car works with the Ghost Immobiliser to make sure this LBX stays in the owner's possession. Because unfortunately, like the Mercedes behind you, the Range Rover to the right of me, these cars are all being targeted for theft because they're extremely easy to steal due to keyless entry and keyless start cars. And the more modern the car, the easier it is to steal. Autowatch Ghost has been fitted on this to stop it from being stolen, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works today on this particular Lexus. So hop in the car and we'll show you now. Okay, so we're in the Lexus now. This is the brand new model. Actually quite a nice interior. It's very similar to the Toyota CHR, but just a nicer version. This is obviously a Lexus, so more of a premium interior, hence why it's more desirable to be stolen. These cars have been stolen, like I said, because keyless entry. So I'm going to replicate what would happen if they amplified your key or they stole your key. So imagine they've got your actual Lexus keys out of your house, which is no different to them amplifying the key from outside your house using the relay attack way of doing it. So I'm going to put my foot on the brake and I'm going to push start. Now what this isn't going to give me, which is hard to tell from where you're over there, it's not going to give me the ready sign. Now ready is what the car will say when it's ready to drive off. So I can put it in drive. It's not going to allow me because it says here hybrid system must be ready to shift. It's just locked in this dormant situation where you can't go anywhere. Simple as that. It's not ready to drive off because we haven't put the disarm sequence in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now show you what would happen when you put your Ghost code in or your disarm sequence. So you put your foot on the brake, you push start, lights come on. I'm going to put a simple generic code in to show you, demonstrate this isn't the customer's code. And then what's going to happen now, I'm going to get the confirmation down here, which is in this car, it's the automatic headlight functionality. It's going to flash twice. And actually, if you concentrate on hearing it, you'll hear there's two beeps from behind the dash. Factory Toyota Lexus beeps as well. The factory bong on this car tells you it's disarmed as well. So you get a nice audible indication that you've entered your disarm sequence and visual. So you always know you put your code in correctly. So now I'm going to push drive, put it into drive, and now it allows me to put it in drive because I put my disarm sequence in. It's as simple as that. Great option, the Autowatch Ghost for these cars, probably one of the better options. We can also install tracker with immobilisation on, and we can also install top of the range alarm immobiliser security system on Pandora on these vehicles to make sure it stays in your possession. Simple as that. Right, now I'm going to quickly explain to you how valet mode works on a Ghost if you don't already know. So these Ghost products have an ability to turn the Ghost off temporarily. So if you hand your car into a valet in place, detailers, tuning company, or even the mechanic garage or the dealerships to do warranty work on the car, you can temporarily turn off the Ghost. It's not permanent, so once we put the Ghost in valet mode by pushing a button 5 times in this car, after you put your disarm sequence in, it would temporarily turn the Ghost off, and it will only basically reactivate if one or two things happen. This is handy if they want to take the car around the dealership, drive it around, not have to keep putting your code in, or maybe you don't want to give them your personal code. This is why the valet code's created. It will stay in valet until one or two things happens. Either you put your code back in when you pick your car up, or if the vehicle's driven for more than 15 minutes without stopping. Okay, so the vehicle was stolen, unfortunately, from the garage you dropped it off because it was in valet mode, then they're only going to get to their next destination. Next time they turn the car off, the Ghost will reactivate itself automatically. Great option of valet mode, extremely useful. But that is the Ghost on this Lexus LBX, first in the world. I've already said it once, I'll say it again, we're proud of that. It came straight from the dealer, that's why it's got all the white sheets still on, so it hasn't even, the customer's not seen this car yet, still got all the wrapping on and everything. It's come straight from dealer, pre-PDI'd, and come straight to us to make sure this vehicle stays in the new owner's possession. Simple as that. But anyway, that's me finishing off on this video. It's Max behind the camera, it's Connor in front of the camera. From all the team at John Cleese Car Audio, we'll see you soon.